In today's world, we are constantly connected, always staring at a screen. It wasn't that long ago that all we had were TVs and computers and unplugging was easy. But now we are always connected because of our phones. So much of life is missed by staring at screens. Even when so many of us get outside in nature, we spend more time worrying about documenting it than truly enjoying it. We worry about posting our pictures to social media and not about taking in the beauty around us in that moment.
Selfie! Oh yeah, that's gonna look good on Instagram. Hashtag nature.
When was the last time you unplugged? Got away from the screens? Where you recharged your battery, not your phones? And just enjoyed nature?
And yes, I do see the irony in this.
It's okay to unplug and leave behind social media. It'll be there when you get back. Go outside, take a walk. Enjoy nature. Find some place close by. Or get as far away from everyone and everything as you can. Just put the phones down and enjoy what comes from being free of notifications, emails, and mind-numbing entertainment. Unplug. Discover nature. Discover yourself.